welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll be showing you the way to download and install Assassin's Creed 1 on PC. So to download and play the Assassin's Creed, you have to follow the steps. First thing, you have to download Steam. So open up a browser, type in steampower.com. It's going to take you to the official page, and here you need to go ahead and press on install Steam. Press on install Steam. Here select the device that you're installing Steam, and next page you have to run the exe file. When you're done successfully installing, go ahead and create your account. And once done creating your account, go ahead and tap on stores. And on the store section page, tap on the search box and look for the game that you wish to download. That is Assassin's Creed 1. When you locate the game, then go ahead and press on it. It's going to take you to the info section here. Go ahead and click on add to cart. When the game has been added to your cart, then you can move on with the payment method. And as you are done purchasing the game, next thing what you have to do is you have to go ahead and download it and then create your account. So in that way you can go ahead and play Assassin's Creed 1 on PC. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.